ColorHunter series cameras come with a built-in warm LED light that can be triggered when it detects a person or vehicle. This light will either flash or hold a steady light, depending on whether the camera is set to day or night mode. To enable the flashing or steady light, you'll first need to set up a crossline or intrusion detection zone. Navigate to the Smart settings on the NVR webpage and select the ColorHunter camera from the drop-down menu. Next, create either a crossline or intrusion detection zone depending on your requirement. Once you've established the detection area, click on the Trigger Actions menu and check the flashing light option. You can also modify the blink time, which will keep the light turned on between 5 and 60 seconds. The default setting is 10 seconds. Once you've set up the detection zone, be sure to enable it by ticking the box beside the detection zone. And now you will notice that the light flashes when it spots a person. This is the default behavior, and it can be used as a deterrence feature since people know that they are being watched when the camera blinks rapidly at them. If you'd like to enable a steady light instead, you'll have to adjust a few more settings. Navigate to the image settings under the camera sub-menu and select your ColorHunter camera from the drop-down menu. Turn off Smart Illumination and set the camera to night mode under the exposure settings. With these settings, the light will only turn on when it detects a person or vehicle within the detection zone. And because the camera is set to night mode, the light will hold steady instead of flashing. Essentially, the Uniview ColorHunter cameras have a built-in white light that turns on when it gets dark, so they can keep providing a colorful image. When a detection zone is enabled, the cameras will flash in day mode. Smart Illumination can be disabled, so the camera lights only turn on when a person is detected, rather than illuminating during all hours of the night.